day 2, Saturday, of Shot 3D Sequoia National State Park. You want to call it a national park. State Park in Oklahoma. Hoping to get out on the Rolling Bones course today with the Prime Divide 33. A little rainy looking right now. I don't know if that'll happen, but we're gonna try between some rainstorms maybe get out and shoot a little bit on the Prime course. But we'll see. Stick around. We'll do something. Either we're gonna shoot novelty shots or we're gonna shoot a course or two. So maybe a shorter course so we can dodge some rainstorms. But it'll be a fun time. If you've never been to this state park, there are deer everywhere. So pretty cool. Deer really right in front of me right now that I might run over.
Yeah.
What do I get a discount since I'm using the not normal spotter? Is that, you know, when you were my spotter, I got in really good. I'm not feeling super optimistic today though. This third day of this has got to me.
It did. Yeah, I got stuck on the bottom. Right. In the blue.
On the right?
Probably 2 o'clock.
Just in the blue.
Left, yeah, 9 o'clock.
In the blue? Gosh, dang. Right. Right and high.
Yeah.
High and left. Dang. This is my 5th one, I think, isn't it? Am I counting that right? High above the yellow? Gosh, I felt good about that one. Ah, 108 yards. That sucks. I got 2 in the blue, right? Just 1 on each side of it. Ugh, I don't know about these 2 red ones up here. What happened? The sever one? You guys shoot that block and have a group, a 10 ring group, right?
Just a group. It doesn't, even if you're not in that 10 ring, as long as you're grouping.
Yeah. 45 yards is what I'm getting. Where'd that one hit? It didn't light up, did it?
Just about that far above it.
Okay. Ooh, I might have dipped a little too low. All right, Adam. 1 shot call out, closest to the O in the bison.
200 yards, right?
No. I don't have a good mark for this, so there may be multiple call outs, so I can get dialed in. And then I'm calling you out next, so.
Oh, me?
Yeah. I'm calling you out next for the 108 bison. That's being called out. That's what happens. That's how you have to play the game. You're good on that.
Where's my target first?
Okay.
Ooh, I think that's in it, son.
I'm going to do better than that.
2 for a ticket for the. What? How's that not count?
Under.
I'm gonna call you out again because I'm gonna win a second item on there. So here's my second ticket. That'd be me. Couldn't do it when I paid for it, but
Oh, I can't either.
yeah, I can call out. Picked up.
Pretty cool camera.
God, hit your other arrow.
Are you kidding me?
Ain't no way. right near your other spot. So top of the leg.
So I've won 2, right? I don't know what else is on the table I want to win. That blue hat and that scent package.
Man, you gonna call out somebody that's handicapped?
How's he shooting like 500 feet a second? I'll call you out. Go get your bow.
I'm not shooting a
I'm not
shooting a
You called me out. What are we shooting?
We're gonna shoot the white.
The white one?
Closest to center.
Closest to center on the white. Called me out. How old are you?
12.
12? Called me a 12-year-old called me out. If you beat me on my own camera on my own channel, that'll look bad. So go easy on me, all right? Ooh, I think I got you on that one. I thought I was in it with 2 of them. Dang, 108 though for 2 of them touching. I'll never shoot that good again, so that's why I got to take a video of that. All right, so this one we got to walk down here a little ways for the surprise release. Ended up winning a hat and a scent package for the Callout challenge, and so this should be the Ibex release, the Hinge release. Chance to win that and win a hat. So this is one of my favorite ones. I've not got in the 106 Bison yet. Been close, but probably come back to that at the end, but I want to make sure I get in for this release. There's the Ibex. You got to hit the 10 ring. It's about 50 something yards. He's moving it right now because it's a little bit awkward, I guess, but about 50 yards. Got to get in the 10 ring using the Ibex Hinge. All right, 54 yards now. All right, here goes nothing. Man, I'm hugging that tree tight. I think I'm low. Yeah, if that bottom green rock is low, I'm low, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, I caught that tree. Man, that tree is gonna be a beast on this. Over?
It's usually straight up the backside of that front leg, so when you get quartered, I think you might actually be okay, just maybe to the left of that.
Okay, so I don't have to aim as right. I was thinking it's further right. Okay.
It could be, like, don't quote me 100.
Got it again. Jeez Louise. One in, got my hat, monkey's off my back. All right. Here goes nothing. That one should be in too, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, of course you guys hit the Evolution Outdoors Ibex Hinge release and hit at least a 10 ring.
God, that's the 3rd one I've tried to sneak to the right.
Have a good one. You too.
All right, let me go get those 2.
Gifts. It takes me like 2 months to get up enough time for an actual paid day off.
Well, did I get 2 in?
Yep.
All right. I'm not gonna break any more arrows as I've been busting this tree up. A little stressed out. I'm gonna have to shoot next to the Indoor Defiance guys, and they're pretty much pros, so I'm a little nervous about shooting next to them. They've killed a lot of 115-inch bucks, so they're kind of a big deal. Oh my God, that's dirty. That's it. I was gonna get another arrow. Just get another arrow out. What if he'd have lost one of these Scentlok arrows? He's not gonna get that 50 cents back.
There was that kid in here. He was trying to get me to do that too yesterday. I'm like, he doesn't like to be messed with.
No, no.
What are you doing?
I'll fix you to 106 Bison.
Well, that's over this way.
No, it's right here. We're crossing rods.
I gotta go pull mine over.
You should.
That old high country over there.
I was like, holy cow.
God, you're slow. Yeah. You're the oldest 28-year-old I've ever seen. 30? God, you are old at that point. You're decrepit. All right, here we go. Yeah. 108 if you're a man, you shoot over here. High again? Attaboy. I like the way you're talking to me now. Keep talking to me like that, Brian. Don't even go down there and look at it either. Just write it down in the book. Attaboy. Keep it up. Coming out of my bow weird, but I'll just go with it. Left. Yeah, I felt like that one broke left. Oh, too touching. All right, leave them in because I gotta get a picture of that. That's crazy. I never do that again. So, one and only.
You want your other
ticket for the Sever challenge? Hey Brian, I'm putting this in group therapy. My last ticket.
Do it.
I'm never inappropriate.
Dang, you got missed it. High right. Way high right. You keep getting further right. Yeah.
Coming at my bow weird. I don't know if I need to. Ooh, this one's a no-go.